In this video, I will show how to buy shares of Woodward Inc. using the NASDAQ ticker WWD. Woodward is an industrial technology company serving aerospace and energy markets. This is an educational overview, not investment advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker WWD to find Woodward Inc. Select the listing that matches Woodward on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart that updates with market activity. Double-check the company name and ticker to confirm it is the correct Woodward Inc. listing. To place an order, click Invest. Choose the amount or number of shares you want. Then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will be queued or set as a market on open. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in the portfolio section and show your holding. For convenience, a link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit the example platform.